Good morning. In the previous video, we learnt about plant body, shoot and root, green color of the leaf, tiny pores on the leaf, main vein in the middle, side veins from the midrib, photosynthesis, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and mineral salts. Plant body is mainly divided into two shoot system and root system. Shoot system contains branches, stem, leaves, flowers, etc. Root is of two types. Green color of the leaf. The green color which is present on the leaf is called as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps to trap the sunlight. Tiny pores on the leaf. Tiny pores on the leaf are called as the stomata, which help in to take carbon dioxide from the air. Main vein. Main vein is present in the middle of the leaf, which starts from the base of the leaf and runs up to the end of the leaf called as leaf tip or apex. Side veins. Side veins are small veins which arises from the middle vein or midrib and spread on the leaf. Photosynthesis. The process of preparing of food by taking carbon dioxide, water and mineral salts and sunlight in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Let us learn about how plants make their own food. Presence of starch in the leaf. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. How do plants use their food? Some unusual plants. Let us do a small experiment to show the presence of starch in the leaf. Materials required: a green leaf, 2 beakers, 2 tripod stands, 2 wire gauzes, spirit lamps, test tube, saucer, water, alcohol and iodine. Take a green leaf from the plant, pour some water in beaker, place the beaker on the wire gauze which is kept on the tripod stand. Light the spirit lamp, keep it under the tripod stand. Water starts boiling. Place the green leaf in boiling water. Take another beaker, pour some water and place it on the tripod stand. Take a test tube and keep the leaf which is boiled in water in the test tube which is containing alcohol and make it to boil the water, and this leaf becomes colorless. After some time, take out the leaf from alcohol, wash it with cold water and place it in a saucer. Add 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution to the bleached leaf. It immediately turns into bluish black color. So this changing of bluish black color indicates the presence of starch in the leaf. By the above experiment, we proved that leaves contain starch. Let us do one more experiment. Activity 2. Aim to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Materials required: a potted plant, black paper, 2 beakers, tripod stands, white gauzes, spirit lamps, test tube, saucer, water and iodine solution. Take a potted plant. Cover a part of one of its leaf with a piece of black paper. Keep this plant in a dark room for 24 hours. After 24 hours, place the potted plant in sunlight for few hours. Pluck the covered leaf from the plant. Boil the leaf in water. Remove the boiled leaf and place it in a test tube which is having alcohol in it. Bleach the leaf to remove the green color and take out the bleached leaf, wash it with cold water and keep it in a saucer. Add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution to the leaf. Observe the leaf. The part which is covered with black paper does not turn to bluish black color. Remaining part of the leaf turns to bluish black color. It indicates that sunlight is necessary. By the above experiment, we proved that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Let us do one more activity to prove chlorophyll is necessary. So aim to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Materials required: green and non-green leaf which is having multicolored patches on it. 2 beakers, tripod stands, wire gauzes, spirit lamps, test tube, saucer, water and iodine solution. Pluck a leaf which is having green and non-green patches on it. Draw the leaf on a paper and mark the green and non-green patches of the leaf on the paper. Boil the leaf in water. After some time, take out the leaf and bleach it in the alcohol. And after some time, take the bleached leaf and wash it with cold water. Keep this leaf in a saucer and add 1 to 2 drops of iodine solution to the leaf and observe the leaf. The part of the leaf which is having green patches only turns to bluish black color, and remaining non-green patches on the leaf does not change. This proved that chlorophyll is necessary. By the above experiment, we proved that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis.